Hey everyone, want to learn ChatGPT more efficient way? Yes, what is ChatGPT and how to start, where to start? If you are more interested to learn this latest artificial intelligence tool to learn something new and upgrading your skills, if you are working already in a software industry or any other field of software related or non-related, and improving your knowledge much way, yes, ChatGPT will help you greatly this artificial intelligence by entering your prompt. What is prompt? Prompting is nothing but a question what you are asking, how related to the search, the Google search, how you are applying. The same way you need to ask a question to ChatGPT and you will get a much more information what you are expecting. It depends upon how the question you are asking. Very much interested how you are asking a question, and according to your question it will give you the response. If you are not satisfied with the answer, yes, you can ask a question one more time by changing what exactly the point you are expecting. This is what I am going to show you a few minutes, how to use, how to create and log in to ChatGPT and using and applying your skills. And before entering to the video, if you are watching first time this harisystems channel and knowing about the knowledge and updates, please do subscribe and support us. We'll go we'll share a much information as per your requirements. Let's get started. ChatGPT, how it is. Let's start the demonstration. Let's go to Google here. The Google, you may simply type chat.openai.com. It's an official website, ChatGPT, and here it is showing 3.5 as well as the 4 is the version. ChatGPT 4 is also a version which will give you latest, and you have to take a plus license and a fee you have to pay, and 3.5 is absolutely free. Yes, you can use it. And here, if you are new to ChatGPT, you need to take a login using Microsoft account or Google account to register yourself a free account. You need not to pay for this for 3.5 version. Yes, it will take a few seconds of time to giving you a response. Whereas if you need a more productive way and a proper a quick response, yes, you go by with ChatGPT a version 4. Now let's see, this is once you enter into by entering of username and password, you will be seen here this is a message ChatGPT. Here you need to type something suggest a baby names which letter starts. If you need letter starts also you can give. It will give you a great response. Truly, see how many, almost 10 names it is suggested, unisex and boys and girls, different way you are going to be getting an output. Beautiful. So the same way, ensure to get, if you are a lawyer and you need some information according to preparing of a rental deed, will it be possibly you can get it? Why don't you try? You just try it out. If you are a software engineer and you want to make a preparation of a calculator program or any you want to learn, it might be Java, Python and a .NET and a full stack web development and web page development. Is it possible? Do you think in this way? Yes, try. Yes, prepare this question or prepare this website, this program using Python, Java, which is your requirement. Try today and have a great experience with this artificial intelligence tool and add your career where the skill you want to improve more and more. Yes, surely it will help you to upgrade your career level to the next level. Truly, don't miss it out. Try today. Catch you soon. Thank you.